Let's talk product tags. So when you're listing a product, you can put tags in. You can create a new one or grab ones that are already there. So for example, we might do NZ made. And then there's one right there. So we'll use that one. Don't create a new one writing differently, please. It's good to just use the ones. It doesn't actually matter whether there's capitals or not, so you can keep it like that. We could do shop, small, NZ. Yep, that one's there too. So you can use those tags. Tags aren't necessarily important for Google to find your products. But Google does look at product tags in terms of how a website is organized, if that makes sense. So when you put your product tags in, think of what sort of categories it fits in, rather than going into super detail. You don't need to go into super detail. But I would, for example, do a color, do green, yellow, or yellow hat, or green bag, because those are the things that might go together. But I would definitely also do hats or bags, because those are kind of categories. So think it in terms of how the website is organized, rather than going into super details. And these tags are not like your hashtags. They're different. These are product tags. So you also do not add the hashtag symbol in them. Don't do that. Okay, so once you save the product, these tags then are shown on the product and the customer can use them. I will show you how. So I'll show you how what the tags can look like. So for example here, these are the tags, and as you can see, you can click on them. So she's got print, kids room art, autumn designs, 80 home and family print, 80 all prints. Now these AD ones we use for a specific other sort, so that's because she's got a landing page and we're using these tags to pull in certain products. So that's where that comes in really handy. You add specific tags in to then on a page say, I only want to see all the products with this particular tag. Because this is how the tags can work for a customer. So if they would click the kids room art, it will open up a page with all the products that have that particular tag on it. So if we go back to our product, we added NZ made, and I've already opened it, so you can see here, NZ made tag has already got all these products on it. So literally when you click on the product itself on a tag from the customer point of view, it opens a category of tags, if you will. So that's how tags work and how you can use them in your listings. Let me know if you have any questions.